I like that. Ooh, that's so cool.
What are you doing? That doesn't look like work to me.
I'm getting ready for a photo shoot.
No, it looks to me like you're sitting on Pinterest.
All I'm gonna say to that is looks could be very deceiving. Roll intro.
Make a memories, make a memory. Okay, now. We gon' make it stop, stop. Everybody shout, shout. You into the pop, pop.
This show's gonna suck. So, why are you slacking?
I'm preparing. Listen, if you want to be successful at your shoot, you have to prepare ahead of time so that when you're on location, you don't end up choking like, I'm out of ideas. That way you can just pull up your phone. Please here.
So you're telling me you don't just like wing it?
No, almost never. It's a bad idea.
So being lazy isn't your motto?
No, I don't know about you guys, but I personally don't like freezing up and running out of ideas. That doesn't sound fun.
Okay, Mr. Smarty Pants. So like, what exactly are you doing now?
Right now, I'm looking at location ideas, outfit ideas, and just in general, the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for.
So like, are you gonna send this to the person that you're like shooting with and stuff?
Sometimes. Most of the people I shoot with already have a very good sense of fashion, but if I'm trying to get something very, very specific, I'll definitely send them a Pinterest board.
All right. Stop wasting your time in here. Go out and shoot already.
Okay, fine. Before we go, make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are ready to learn, because I am. So, let's go.
All right, guys, we just made it out to the location, and I'm with
Franny!
finally. I'm so excited. We're finally shooting.
I know! It's been forever. I've known Vitaly forever, and we haven't shot yet.
We haven't shot once yet.
Yeah.
Franny's been avoiding me.
No, we've just been very busy.
She's released some new songs, which are amazing, which I'm gonna put down below. You guys have to go check them out. But since, you know, I'm pretty sure Franny loves New York, and I'm obsessed with New York, we're doing a little recreation of New York. And you know, we got that Pinterest board going. We're gonna be taking a few shots. She doesn't see him yet. And we're gonna recreate a few of New York vibey photos. Well, we're gonna do this, you ready? Let's go. So the first look that I wanna recreate, right there. And for this one, I think it's simple, that construction vibe, those New York vibes, really easy to find. Glance over at me, just glance over right there. Do this, you're gonna hug your knee, yep. Just relax, I want you, one, with your eyes closed, then look up, look over at me, we'll try a few different ones right here. Oh, sick. Ooh, yes, look at this, see this? And this is why we have Pinterest, ladies and gentlemen. This right here is a sign, and I got a reference to it, so I'm gonna put my own twist on it, and instead of a walking shot, I'm gonna get her standing right in that plant thingy-majig, whatever it is, and shoot from a little bit below to get her taller and really put my own twist on it, and let's see how that goes. That's so cool, oh my God. Something that I never really get to do is shoot wides, like really, really big wides like this. But they're so good to have, especially when you have an outfit that pops, and her orange shorts pop like crazy right now. Let's go try this red wall right here. I want to see if we can make something cool out of it. Do this for me as you're standing. I want you to tilt your head a little bit, and like you're gonna almost look down on me. Love that. I like this guy. Look, can you see this? I love this. This has a little bit of that half walking, got those tall buildings. I could do that right here. Really simple shot, but very effective. guys have it. That's location number 1. We just recreated a look and a whole lot of other stuff. So I'm gonna change the look real quick and we're gonna get back at it. Let's go. And now it's location 2 time. So we got some badass outfit vibes going right here.
Got a red stripe.
So right now we're actually gonna go shoot right there. If you guys see that little red globe theater vibe. Look down at me. So right here, we have a bunch of different signs and stuff behind her. We got some arrows pointing, which is so cool. Draws your attention towards the subject. Goals. Boom! And just like that, we finished look number 2. You like those photos though?
I love them so far. I can't wait for him to edit them.
Those previews are kind of crazy.
I know.
So it's getting dark, so we gotta chase some light and we gotta go on the other side of the town real quick. So let's do it. Okay, Franny's changing right now, and I'm gonna let you guys in a quick little secret. Remember, the first thing that you're trying to do is get whoever you're shooting with as comfortable with you as possible. The faster that you can get someone comfortable with you, the better your shoot's gonna be. So if you can figure out how to do that quick, that means the rest of your day is gonna go mwah. Location number 3, we got the final location of the day. So it got a little dark, which is good because we're getting creative with finding light. You know, gotta own the light. Anyway, so we're gonna get under some lights over here and shoot some really cool stuff. I'm shooting with an 85. It lets in more light and it looks really cool because we got that big depth of field to play around with, which is gonna be fun, so let's do it. If you find that one light, even that light bulb, literally just like that, you have so much to play around with. You go wide, go close. It's insane what one light source could do. So no excuse. If you wanna go shoot at night, we can do that too. It's very plausible. Wow, that is so cool. General direction where your face is gonna be heading like this way somewhere. So do random stuff as long as it's up that way. We're getting really creative with lights right now. You go 3-phone light system. Oh, heck yeah. We found daylight. Do that pose again. I like what you did with the backhand looking over. I want to get a few variations of that. Hold on. So for night shots like this is where you need to really keep still and bring your shutter down all the way. Mine's currently at 100. Aperture's at 2.2. And ISO is cranked to the top. But these are still gonna look really cool because they're night shots, so you can throw some grain over it. Hold, hold, hold. There you guys have it, another one in the books. Thank you so much for coming out.
Of course, I'm so excited you can shoot with me whenever you want. We can do this whenever you want.
So that does it for this location. Let's get back to the studio.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome. I hope you guys like it, because I did. That was fun.
Damn, bro. Pinterest did help you. I was wrong.
Pinterest really did help, but there's also other ways of going about it. There's Tumblr, there is Instagram, and of course, plenty of other places for you to get inspired. And don't forget, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget, if you leave a cool comment down below, you'll be winning a photo signed by Franny that we shot from today's photo shoot. One of a kind. So make sure to go do that down below, and I'm gonna see you guys next week. You ready? I am.
I really want to. Do you really want to? Push it to the limit all night. Baby, don't stop. Baby, don't stop. I really want to. Do you really want to?
And yesterday, Kanye talked. Nope. And other news, keeping up with the Kardashians is like way harder than even keeping up with my gym. What? Nope, none of that.